Once upon a time, in a charming small town, there lived a young woman named Jessica. Admired by many for her simple yet deeply fulfilling lifestyle, Jessica was a beacon of financial wisdom and frugality. She had dreams, just like everyone else, but she never let those dreams dictate her spending. Unlike her friends who often splurged on the latest trends, Jessica stayed true to her values, always thinking ahead. One bright morning, her friend Olivia approached with an irresistible offer. A brand new phone, the latest model, with all the bells and whistles you could imagine. Olivia was ecstatic, convinced it would revolutionize her life. But Jessica hesitated. Her current phone worked perfectly fine, and she knew that succumbing to every temptation wasn't the path she wanted to walk. Jessica had learned through her frugal habits that freedom didn't come from acquiring the latest gadgets, but from making wise financial choices. So instead of rushing to buy the phone, she chose to save the money. As the months rolled by, Olivia's new phone began to falter, leaving her frustrated and forced to shell out more cash for an upgrade. Meanwhile, Jessica's savings grew. With her newfound financial stability, Jessica invested in experiences that enriched her life, like learning new skills and even starting a small side business. Her foresight paid off, leading to a sense of peace and security that Olivia's constant cycle of upgrading and borrowing couldn't provide. Jessica realized that her careful financial decisions had paved the way for a life aligned with her long-term goals. She wasn't burdened by debt, and she had the freedom to make choices on her terms. In contrast, Olivia found herself trapped in a loop of fleeting satisfaction and mounting expenses. The moral of Jessica's story is clear. Frugality is not about deprivation, but about making wise choices that lead to lasting freedom and security. It's not the latest things you own that define your happiness, but the peace of mind that comes with financial independence. Let Jessica's journey inspire you to embrace a lifestyle where true happiness is measured not by what you have, but by the stability and peace you achieve.